go. Come on. Yellow. Red. Yeah, he ran it. And yep, definitely runs. We got the runs this morning. Hey, exit dive. Out of my trunk, lady. Thank you. Out of the frying pan into the fire. That's all this shit is. I don't think you're supposed to pass. Alright, I don't think you're supposed to use that as a passing lane. Somebody let me know. I mean, you're not supposed to be driving like 55 on this friggin' road. Yeah, it's a stop sign, BMW. Thank you. Queue jumping. Queue jumping. We got queue jumping. I don't think you're supposed to be riding a bicycle on Route 1. You are so hard to read. You play hide and seek. That's not a lane, dopeheads. Dopeheads in lieu of something vulgar. Because fuck vulgarity. Ugh. Yeah. Surely you're... Take a little more attitude, lady. Come on. Yeah, and you're doing this the hard way. See, if you went the next exit, stupid, you wouldn't have had to make that left. Duh. I'm gonna let this dingleberry go. Can you go a little faster, dude? I mean, she's not looking, so I'm going. Dingleberry face. What the hell? The hell are you stopping for? Hit the lottery tonight. Move to the tropics. Did he stop? He didn't stop. And you're yee, piggybacking. Pardon me. Ah. Straight from the turn lane. Hyundai. No, so you may as well, since, yeah. You weren't gonna stop anyway, dude, you know? I mean, come on. Thank you. You just rolled the stop. Oh, that's the same one. Yeah, and another one. That Hyundai's the same one that went straight from the left turn lane. Back there.
And I'm outside. I'm on my way to the store for my son.
Let me get, yeah. Toyota, direct to the left lane when there was nobody in the right lane. See? Wide open. But Toyota, gotta be in the left lane. The hell was that? Was that a stop sign there? I believe there was a stop sign there. And I think he ran the red. And he definitely ran the right on red. And are you gonna sit there all day, Mr. Plow? Let's go. It's red. We're in the right already. Yeah, there's no turn on red there, Camry. Thank you.
Here to share ideas to improve urban areas across the country each year.
Red light runners, at least 3. You're in the stop. He may have just rolled it. And yeah, that wasn't a stop, and that wasn't a stop, and let's watch this. That's not going to be a stop. Yep. Rolled it behind me. Yeah, wake it up, wake it up. Do you see those lines down the middle of the road, dude? It's a 2-lane road. What the hell is he doing? What in that bloody... What is wrong with you, dude? We're down the phone! Fudge. He's supposed to stop. Yeah, I'm a Toyota. I'll just force my way out and cut everybody off. He doesn't really stop either. Since not stopping. How did I know that was gonna happen? How did I know that? Alright. Now let's watch everybody not stop behind me. Oops. BMW, spoil it. Yep. Yeah. Toyota ran it, even though there was somebody ahead of them. Blocking traffic, red arrows. Oh, that was an asshole maneuver. Did that bus just run the stop? Go! What the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ, lady. Damn it. Yeah, get bent. I didn't see them to the last second. Fuck them. Which is it? Left, right, left, right. Sprinter, Toyota. And what the fuck is this flying? This is a little faster, princess. She's gonna jump right to the left lane. I know it. Classy, honey. Classy. Hawk some more. Here she goes. Yep, called it. I called it. Yikes. Jesus. You holding you up, honey? Oh, God, another one. Yeah, we got a massive lift in progress. It's a red light runner. And a right turn on red runner. This is all being reconfigured, and yeah, people, it's 4 stops now, and people still, it's not, this is stop over here and there, but it's a yield. It used to be a yield over there, and it's a stop now, and people just don't fucking stop.
They don't know the difference. They don't know that you're supposed to yield anyways.
Right, they don't. The lady behind me just ran it. And she ran it. Stop signs are for? Left to right, left to right, left to right. Thank you. I guess you're taking really, really right.
That's a sharp right.
Not a sharp driver.
No, I didn't say that.
And just roll the right, left, the red stop sign.
Well,
Well, go for fuck's sake, will you go? Red light runners. Get around this twit. Ah, fuck, man. You rolled the stop. Jeep rolled the stop. Did he roll the stop? Ambulance car, Atlantic ambulance. Yep, roll the stop, and we roll the stop, and we roll the stop. Pride what? Pride in rolling the stop? Yep. Toyota, of course, you're not going to stop. Nope. Supposed to stop. Goddamn people, it's supposed to stop. You had plenty of warning. I mean, I've had an ambulance or a fire truck or whatever go by, and I didn't have time to fully stop. But you had plenty of warning. You were supposed to fully stop. Well, only one. Not one, two. This one. You really didn't stop, and that truck on the left didn't stop at freaking all. The stop sign Corolla and Hyundai. Crazy. Watch this exit dive. Signal, then turn, dumbass. That wasn't a lane, in case you weren't aware. One, two. Direct to the left lane for no reason, no blinker. Change of heart? What? Let's see. Oh yeah, I believe that's a Toyota that went direct to the left lane. You're supposed to stop, Mr. Toyo Turd. have a mass hole up there, Dodge. Shitski. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Can you roll the stop? Here we go again. Roll a stop, roll a stop, roll a stop, roll a stop, roll a stop. There's one. Go ahead, Cam. Thank you.
/business to get started today. That's
Stop sign, a stop sign. The hell are you? Dude, wake up, wake up, wake up. What the hell is that? You're supposed to stop. Stop sign. You're supposed to stop. Blinking red. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. You don't just roll it, you stop, because this is pretty much a blind turn here. Yeah, the Volkswagen that just rolled the stop is now blocking the intersection, even though the sign says, do not block intersection. Stop sign. There's stop sign. And red light runners on the turn. That was a red light runner. That next died by the Honda back there.